Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. If your TikTok app is suddenly playing videos with no sound, it is usually caused by an accidental device setting or a specific playback restriction within the app itself. I will show you exactly how to restore your audio right now. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure the issue isn't stemming from your physical device settings. Before digging into the app, check the physical mute switch on the side of your phone, especially if you are using an iPhone, and use your volume buttons to ensure the media volume is turned all the way up. Additionally, open your device settings and temporarily disable Bluetooth to ensure your audio isn't silently routing to a connected pair of wireless earbuds in another room. Next, if your device audio is definitely working in other applications, we need to check the internal settings of the TikTok app itself. Open TikTok, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap the three-line menu icon at the top right of your screen. From the pop-up menu that appears at the bottom, select Settings and Privacy to access the main configuration hub. Finally, you must navigate to the specific section that controls how videos automatically play on your feed. Scroll down the settings page and tap on the Playback option. Look for the setting labeled Open TikTok on Mute, and if the toggle switch is turned on, tap it once to switch it to the off position. This ensures that your audio will play automatically when you open the app going forward, instead of forcing you to tap the screen manually. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.